Okay, hi guys. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a collab with Animal Girl 5656, and we're doing a collab about 5 pet hacks. And I've got hamster. I've got one for a hamster, one for a dog, and then like the other 3 are all fish because that's my main pet. And yeah. And so the first one is baby soap. Use the dog shampoo. Yes. So we all know that dogs get a little dirty at times, and they do get muddy, or in some cases, like my dog likes to roll in animal poo. I know it's gross, but he does it. And yeah, so this isn't baby soap, but it's the only soap I could find just to show you. It's pretty close to baby soap. But if you can use like baby soap to wash your dog. So yeah, and that's that. So the next one, and that you can just use that to bath your dog. Okay, so the next one is Tubber's tanks. So pretty much you just use a storage tub. So you can get them really cheap. I've got this 3 gallon for £1. Like, yeah. And goodness, they just work just as well as a normal tank. There's another tub that I use, and I used to use. Oh my god, I used to use this tub as a fish tank, but now it's a hamster cage. And yeah, so that's pretty much that hack. I have one tub that I could sell for fish, but I don't want to because I don't have any fish to it. So, oh my goodness. Okay, so the next one is baby fish food. I'm gonna put it up somehow while I do this. Okay, this, hopefully you can see me, because everyone wants to see me. I'm beautiful. Well, you can't see me, it's alright. Hoping you can see something. There you go, you can probably see something. Yes, you can see. Okay, you can also see my heroic bed, and I just hit my hand on the fish tank lid, and that's made a glass, so that's painful. Yeah, so basically this is making baby fish food. So you need an old fish bag. You can find probably one of these just lying around the house somewhere if you keep fish. You take a large pinch of flakes. You just put that into the bag, and you put it in a corner, and you just squish it and like squelch it and all around, and then like just rub around it just so it crunches up really small. And then you can just put this in a little like container or something. Be quiet, thunder. We've got thunder and it's a rainstorm outside, and it's pretty crazy. So there you go. That's what it should look like, really smooth. And I will put that tub later. Sorry about my hair, by the way, it's everywhere. And I'm just in my PJs. Oh, sorority love it. Okay. So if you guys have betters and you have a female better sorority, then this will be helpful. Let me just open the lid. Nice already. Get a breeder box. And if one of your betters are being aggressive, like, is that unaggressive? But I've got 2 betters in there. Come out, one of you guys. Yeah, guys. If you've got a better, still got 2 betters in there. On it. Let's get that one out. Did the friendly fella. Oh, wait, no, just get that one out. If you've got an aggressive better in your sorority, and it's just being too aggressive, a bit over the top at everyone, like, this is just an example. She is a really friendly better, just saying. There she is. But this is perfect, so then the betters in the tank can see her still, as well as she can't get to them, and that way they'll get along easier. And yeah, and then you can eventually let them out after a couple of days, and then voila, she will hopefully be getting along with everyone. Ta-da! So now I believe this is number 5, the last one. Yes, the last one. Now this one is also a DIY, so okay, so for this one we are going to make a hamster toy thing. Here's one I've already made. Yeah. And yeah, this is if you can't buy a toy for your hamster. Wait, what you will need is just a tube, kitchen roll tube, wrapping paper tube. Depends how big your tank is. This is smaller than the one I have, but it fits perfectly because it just has to go next to my huge tidy house. And what you will need is your pen. I'm going to put that where you want. And you will also need, because I'm stupid, I forgot this. Let me just get one. I love you. You just get a little toilet roll thing, and you flatten this first one, like that, and then you will put this on. I'm hoping you guys can see this. Can you? Yes. So you flatten the first one. Let me just push you back a bit, so maybe you can see me more. Hello. So here we go. Let me just check. Yes. So you've got to put that one down so it's flat. Then you need your marker, and you will just put your toilet roll tube on here and cut as many. Well, actually not cut. You just draw around it. Betters think there's food happening, which there isn't. They've already been fed today. They're just pigs, and I'm just going to draw around it. There we go. That's giving me a rough idea. And then I always do like to do 3 on here. That I just did. So yeah. And yeah. Okay, so we're gonna draw around it again. I can't see where I've drawn around it because Cindy is not seeing anything. Because Cindy's eyes have been hurting today. My hair is everywhere. So yeah. Just doing the third one. I think you guys get the idea. But yeah. There we go. And nearly done. Okay, there we go. And now what you need to do is get your scissors. I've got these very sharp ones. First I'm going to just stab into them. It's okay if it breaks a bit, that's what happened to another one I did. It's harder to do with this. I know what to do. This is struggling me. Okay, I would have said this is easy, but this is quite, that would be a lie. It is pretty easy, and just this part is a nightmare. Cutting things. I like cutting things all the time. Okay, there we go. You can also use the little rings you've cut out as chews for your hamster. Your hamster can just chew that. And I think I'm going to do that so he's got more chews. I think that would be nice for him. So you can see I used this one to draw on my bigger one when I was making it. So, yeah. I think you guys get the idea. You just cut it off. Okay, so when you're finished, it should look like this. So I thought I'd do a little dance. I'm afraid not. No. Okay, so now we are going to. I just dropped it on the floor. We're not going to drop it on the floor. That's not a good idea. We're just going to put it in my hamster cage, and we're going to put it next to that one. You can see fits perfectly, as this is a huge tidy house. Now I made another one back here, which is just cheap, and it's got another little tube. So I'm just going to come up here, top of this house, and see the views. You know, you don't want to do that. Yes, but there is the 2 tubes. There we go. So, oh my god, 10 minutes? Seriously? Oh my god. But I hope you carried on watching this video to the end. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and go check out Animal Girl 56's video, channel, everything. Subscribe to her. And yeah, because this was a collab. And yeah. Bye.